ChuChu TV Surprise Eggs! Hi, Mr. Harlow.
Welcome back, my friends. I'm so happy to have you back.
Wow, that's a gift box.
Yup, it sure is. And we're going to see what's inside it.
Wow, there are so many eggs.
Each egg has a surprise inside.
Surprise? Can you give us a hint about what's inside, Mr. Harlow?
Well, okay. Let's just say we're going to learn about a few species of birds.
I can't wait to open them and find out. Let's go! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open the yellow egg first, shall we? Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a duck! Yay! Where do ducks live, Mr. Harlow?
My friends, ducks live in both freshwater and seawater.
Wow! Does that mean they can swim, Mr. Harlow?
You bet! Ducks have webbed feet, which makes them good swimmers.
What do ducks eat, Mr. Harlow?
Ducks eat water plants, fish, and small worms.
Pick me! Thank you! Let's open the orange egg next, shall we? Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! A swan! Yay! It's so big! Can it fly, Mr. Harlow?
Little ones, the swan is one of the largest flying birds.
Look! The swan also has webbed feet.
Very observant. Swans are good swimmers too.
So, what does the swan eat, Mr. Harlow?
Swans eat the leaves of water plants and sometimes little water animals too.
Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the blue egg? Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a goose! Yay! Look! The goose also has webbed feet.
Right on! You rock! The goose has large flippers, which makes it a good swimmer too.
Tell us, what does the goose eat, Mr. Harlow?
The goose eats berries, seeds, grains, and water plants.
Pick me! Thank you! The red egg looks flashy. Let's open it up. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's an eagle! Yay! Are they really good hunters, Mr. Harlow?
Eagles have heavy heads, sharp beaks, and very good eyesight, which makes them super hunters.
Wow! So, what do they eat?
Eagles eat fish, snakes, rabbits, and squirrels.
Pick me! Thank you! Let's open the violet egg next. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a hawk! Yay! Are they really good hunters too?
Yes! Hawks have long tails and sharp eyesight, and they are intelligent hunters.
What do they eat, Mr. Harlow?
Hawks eat mice, squirrels, rabbits, snakes, lizards, and fish.
Pick me! Thank you! Next we'll go with the brown egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a vulture! Yay! Are they really good hunters too?
Nope. But with their great sense of smell, they can smell dead animals from great heights.
What do vultures eat, Mr. Harlow?
Vultures eat dead, wounded, or sick animals.
Thank you! Let's go with the white egg next. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a woodpecker! Yay! Look! It has a sharp beak. What do they do with their sharp beaks?
Woodpeckers have strong beaks for drilling and drumming on trees.
Oh, but what do they eat?
Woodpeckers dine mostly on insects, nuts, fruits, and berries.
It was so cool to see all the different birds.
Did you have fun learning about a few species of birds?
Yeah, you bet. It was so much fun. We'd love to learn more, Mr. Harlow.
Let's make that happen. Time to go home. See you soon.
Bye-bye.